This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about chopstick rests, specifically this Voga Chopstick Rest. It's a white melamine chopstick and spoon rest combo. It's 3.5 inches long by 2 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch in depth. And you can see it features a nice spot for your spoon, and then this great little curved tail that's got a nice little bit of style and will keep your chopsticks neatly in place. And you can see we've got one in use right here with a lovely little pair of chopsticks. And they're the perfect way to set up your table and place settings for Asian style meals and dishes because it keeps those chopsticks not only in place, that little curve keeps them from rolling off, slipping off, rolling onto the table or onto the floor, but it also keeps the ends that you're eating with elevated. So they're nice and sanitary because they're not making contact with your tables or placemats. But also, once someone started eating, those messy ends of the chopsticks also aren't making contact with your tables and placemats, so it's less to clean up post-meal. You also get a nice little spot to rest your spoon in between bites. And these are made from durable melamine for a long-lasting and useful piece that's scratch and shatter resistant. They are also conveniently dishwasher safe, meaning that cleanup is going to be an easy little breeze. So these are perfect for restaurants serving Asian cuisines or Asian-inspired dishes, or for caterers to use for events, or even at home if you're looking for something to help elevate your own table settings.